Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa
Doctor,
barakatuh.
I want to confirm you about the communication system quiz. You told us to give you a date to apply that quiz.
Not now. I will message you in announcement, okay?
Yes, but we tell you about the day. You ask us to give you a day.
Yeah, tell me the day.
It is on Wednesday this week, Doctor.
This week, Wednesday?
Yes, this week Wednesday at 9 o'clock, and we hope you give us duration 1 day because
One day?
pressure for
Because
students
there are internet, sometimes there are issues.
because of internet issues.
One day is not good for quiz.
Why, Doctor?
1 hour. 1 hour is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Take it 2 hours, sometimes issue, doctor.
We have pressure, sir. We have pressure.
Okay, we will postpone for next week.
No, no, no. This week is good.
Then what is the pressure then?
The pressure in the net, sir. Wi-Fi.
Internet.
Yes,
Internet problem. Okay, these are evening times, night times, right?
yes. From 9 to the 9
PM.
at morning.
12 hours. What is
Yes, sir.
by the end of the day, 9 to 12 p.m.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Why? Because it is quiz. Just 5 bits will be there, 5 questions, that to multiple choice.
But how about the duration, sir? Duration.
From 9 to 12, and the duration will be half an hour, 30 minutes. If you start, you have to finish 5 questions.
Increase it, sir. Increase it. Make it 1 hour.
Half an hour is more, yeah.
How many questions?
5 bits, multiple choice.
Inshallah, easy, doctor.
Yes. Trigonometric functions all will be. And small problems on signals. Okay. Okay, shall we start this tutorial?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Doctor, how many attempts
Doctor,
will be?
how many attempts?
Only one attempt. If you start, you have to finish within half an hour. It's okay?
Doctor, if you can make it multiple attempts because the website usually crashes during the quiz. It happens a lot of times.
Okay, I will check with that. Okay, let us start sheet. Do you have the question papers, question sheet?
Yes,
Yes,
doctor.
sir.
Okay, directly I go for
Yes.
solution.
That's
I'm
up to.
going, yeah, I'm going for solutions, okay?
Okay, Doctor.
Got the sheet on screen?
Yes, doctor.
Yes.
It is clear now? First question, how many bits have been finished in the last week? Question A, B,
Finish A, B, and F.
only F, okay. C, D, E, we need
No,
to
no.
do now,
If we didn't
okay?
take it, doctor. A and B just.
F also you did not take?
Yes, just A and B.
Okay. Okay. So question number C. This is C. Okay. So f of t equals e power minus 4t is given as question. Take Laplace transform on both the sides. F of t becomes f of s. Okay. And since e power minus at is 1 by s plus a, Laplace transform of exponential function power minus at is 1 by s plus a. So as per the question, e power minus 4t is given. So its Laplace transform will be 1 by s plus 4. It's very simple. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have finished inverse Laplace transform also?
We take one
We
example.
take one example.
One example. Okay. So question number D. Sin 10t is the question. Take Laplace transform on both the sides. So we have direct formula for this also. Sin 80 is given as Laplace transform of sin 80 is written as a by s square plus a square. So substituting the formula, a is given as 10 here, 10 by s square plus 10 square. Got? Then coming to question number e power minus 3t cos 4t. Taking Laplace transform on both the sides. You have direct formula for this also. E power minus at cos bt equals s plus a by s plus a whole square plus b square. So write the values of a and b here. A is 3, 3 and b is 4 square. Okay. The final answer is s plus 3 by s square plus 6s plus 25. Right. And this is step function. Taking Laplace transform on both the sides. There is a direct formula for this also. U of t minus a is 1 by s e power minus a s. Okay. There is no t here. So the final answer is 1 by s e power minus 2s. Coming to the second question, which is inverse Laplace transform. Okay. We have direct formula also for all this inverse Laplace transform, but I am solving this by using partial fractions. Have you studied partial fractions in theory?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Taking one
So
example of
okay, partial fractions. So this is the question: 10 by s into s plus 7. So you have two factors here, s plus 0, s plus 7. Yani s into s plus 7. So if two functions are there, a by, this is the method for partial fractions. Taking a by s, one function, plus b by second function. Good. Then taking LCM
Good.
for this, you will get a into s plus 7 plus bs. Cross multiply this. You will get this. And denominators will be cancelled on both the sides. You will get one equation containing s. Then substitute as per your requirement. If you want to get the value of a, substitute s equals 0. So b becomes 0. You will get the value of a as 10 by 7. In the same way,
Doctor,
to cancel a,
why
yes,
we put 0? Why we put 0?
that's what I said. As per our requirement, you need to get the values of a and b. To get value of a, if you keep, this is all assumption, okay? If you keep s equals 0, b will be cancelled. You will get the value of a. That's why we keep s equals 0.
Oh, yes, doctor.
Okay. In the same way, if you keep s equals minus 7, you will get a will be cancelled. You will get the value of b, minus 10 by 7. Is it clear?
Yes.
Good.
Sir.
Then substitute the values of a and b in equation, this equation. Where you got the equation? This equation, equation 2. and substitute this equation 2 in equation 1 here. It's the same. Okay. After substitution, you will see like this. After substitution, now you have the direct formula. What is 1 by s? 1 by s is u of t, that is equal to 1, and 1 by s plus a is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a is e power minus at. So finally you will get 10 by 7 into 1 minus, why? Because minus 10 by 7 is here. Okay, minus 10 by 7. So e power minus 70. Here is plus, here is minus. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Then
Yes.
all the questions will be same. It is little bit different. You have some algebraic equation is there. A square plus 2bs 2as x square plus bs plus c, like this. Okay, so find out the factors for this. You will get some factors here. How to get the factors? Multiply this. 4 into 1 will be 5, sorry, 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay, 4 into 1 will be 4. This should be 5s. 5s means you can write 4s plus s, that will be 5s, and 4 into 1, if you multiply, you will get this this digit 4. Understand this?
Doctor,
Yes.
doctor,
Yes.
you multiply s. It's gonna
Here.
be s cube
No,
multiplied
not
by
like this.
5s square.
Not multiplying. Yes. See here. Here the term s has 5 as coefficient, constant. Okay. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 4 into 1 will be 4. Understand?
Yes, sir.
4 plus 1 will be 5. 4 multiplied by 1 will be 4. You will get the factors. I wrote this 4s plus s. You can write.
Doctor,
Yes.
the answer in the paper not like what you show.
What?
I print the paper of the solution.
No. Right now you see the lectures. I changed the paper. In that, no partial fractions are there. Direct formula substitution is there in that sheet. I prepared
Okay.
this sheet for partial fractions. Okay.
Okay. Doctor.
That also, that method also you can follow. Just follow the formula and substitute. You will get the direct solution. But this method is good. Okay. By
Okay.
using only one formula, you can write, you can solve any problem by this method, by using partial fractions. Whereas if you use the previous sheet, there are direct formulae, big formulae. Okay, you have to by heart all the big formulae. So this is the simple method. Just using one formula, you can solve any problem.
Okay. Doctor.
Okay, so I can write here 4s plus s. If you take common, s multiplied by s plus 1, it will be s square plus s. Whereas here 4s plus 4, you will get the same. Okay, taking common, 4 common, s plus 1, s common, s plus 1. Good.
Good, Doctor.
Good.
Now you can take common as s plus 1 here. If you take s plus 1 common, you will get s plus 4. You got the two factors. So substitute this equation. You got the solution for this equation as two factors. Substitute in this question. Okay, s multiplied by s plus 1 multiplied by s plus 4. Okay. Now you go for partial fractions. You have three terms here, s plus 1, s plus 4. So a by s, b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 4. Right?
Right, Doctor.
Now to find the values of a, b, c, you got this equation. Substitute s equals 0, you will get a as 5 by 4. If you substitute s equals 0, b will be cancelled, c will be cancelled. You are remained with only a. You will get the value of a. Right?
Yes.
If you substitute minus 1, s equals minus 1, a will be cancelled, c will be cancelled. You will get the value of b. Right?
Yes.
In the same way, substitute s equals 4. S equals minus 4, sorry. If you substitute here minus 4, a will be cancelled, b will be cancelled. Finally, you will get the value of c. Finish? Now, all these variables, all these constants, you substitute in these places, in their respective places. This is a, this is b, this is c. Now, use the formulas, the same formula. 1 by s is 1. 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t. Minus t means here is plus. So, minus of minus plus t. In the same way, here minus t is there, sorry. Here you write down minus here. Okay. Small mistake here.
Without minus?
Here minus mojud. Okay. Write down e power minus t. Minus t is the correct answer. Okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Just a small mistake here. Write down here minus. Here is e power minus 4t. Why? Because s plus 4 is there. Plus 4 then minus here. In the same way here also minus t. Right? Please change this minus. Coming to question number 4, C. There are three factors. Do the same partial fractions here. I think no need to explain this. Follow the same procedure. Substitute minus. Why you substitute minus 1? If you substitute minus 1 here, b will be cancelled, c will be cancelled. You will get the value of a. In the same way, substitute minus 3, minus 4 to get the values of b and c respectively. Now substitute all these values in their respective places. A, B, C. Okay. Now here is s plus 1 e power minus t, s plus 3 e power minus 3t, s plus 4 e power minus 4t. This is the solution. We finish Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. Do you have finished this also? Solution of the following differential equation using Laplace transform.
Yes, Doctor. We take
No,
the
we don't
differential.
take it.
Yes, doctor.
We take it.
All of you, all the students.
We take
There are 14
we take
students
the
here.
laws only, not an example.
Yeah, it's okay. If you take the theory, it's okay. You can do the solution. Just wait. Okay. So the question, there are 3 bits here. The equation is given as y dash minus 2y equals 0. Y of 0 equals 3. It's given. So taking Laplace transform on both the sides, for any equation, if y complement is there, its solution will be s into y of s minus y of 0. This is the solution for this. You may have studied in theory. Minus, just y is written as y of s. Y dash is written as s into y of s minus y of 0. Whereas y is written as y of s equals 0. Laplace transform of 0 is 0. Then substitute the value of y of 0. It is given in the question as 3. Write down 3 here. Take y of s common, then you will get s minus 2 equals 3. Good.
Okay.
Good.
Then y of s equals 3 by s minus 2. Taking this into right hand side, cross multiply this. Okay. Now take inverse Laplace transform on both the sides. Then follow the procedure what we did in the
Doctor,
second question.
and the abductor differential
Yeah.
power 1. You
Yes.
write minus 2 ys. It's wrong.
What? This one?
Yes.
Minus is already given here. 2 is 2 as it is. Y is y of s.
Oh, yes, yes. Yes.
This term is for this. These two terms are for this y dash. These two terms are for y dash. It is
Yeah,
the
yeah, you
formula.
are right,
Okay?
Doctor.
Now follow the same procedure for inverse Laplace transform. 1 by s minus 2 will be e power 2t. Here is minus, here will be plus. Then coming to the next bit b. So y dash will be same, s into y of s minus y of 0. 2 will be as it is y of s. This will be here it is a constant. For constant, Laplace transform of constant will be 1 by s. Okay. Unit step.
Yes, Doctor.
Unit step is 1. So 1 will Laplace transform of
Clear,
unit
sir.
function is okay. Now taking common y of s, substitute this y of 0 equals 10 given in the question. Here y of 10. Then coming to the next step, you will get this form. Cross multiply this s minus 2 on both the denominators. Take inverse Laplace transform on both the sides. Then you got the formula directly. 1 by s into s plus a. What is this? This has you have direct formula for inverse Laplace transform as 1 by a into 1 minus e power minus at. If you do partial fraction for this, you will get the same solution like this. Okay. If you take this Laplace transform, this function as partial fractions, you will get the same formula like this. It's okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Clear,
Then
sir.
here is 10 as it is, e power minus 2t. Okay, this is the final answer for this. That's it. And this function, this type of circuit is finished?
No, Doctor.
Not yet. Okay. Today this much is the, yeah. All the students are following.
Yes.
All of you have to click on this raise hand.
Okay.
All of you. 6 more, 7 more, 8. Yes. 9, 10, 11. Two more are left. Okay, 2 students are not following. Okay. Okay. All of you are following, it means. What else? Any problem?
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Doctor, don't forget the Wednesday quiz. What we tell you
Yeah.
in the beginning.
9 to
Yes, thank you,
12.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I will
the
announce on the
network.
blackboard. I will announce on the blackboard. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Salam.